Meaning of honcho.
honcho,
Honcho.
honcho,
Honcho. The word honcho is a slang term that generally refers to a person who holds a position of authority or who is in charge of a particular project or group. It is often used informally in the workplace or in social situations to refer to someone who is a leader or manager of some kind. The word originated in Japan and was brought back by American soldiers during World War II. Today, it is commonly used in American English and has entered the lexicon of many other English-speaking countries around the world.